हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये बिहार के कुछ जीके के हैं जो कि इंग्लिश में है। मैं उसे पढ़ देती हूँ। द ट्रेडिशनल ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ बिहार डेज स्टार्टेड इन विच ईयर? इन 2010। वेयर डिड ए बैकुंठ शुक्ला किल Faningnath Ghosh, who became a government witness is the Lahore conspiracy case, Betia. Lac is produced from which insect? Lacifer, Lakka or Lacky insect? Where is the Lychee Research Center located in Bihar? Musahari, Muzaffarpur. What was the rank of Bihar in national production of lychee? First. Where was the Great Public Library founded in 1916? When was Gautam Buddha born? 563 BC. What is the rank of Bihar in national wide production of lychee? First. When did Niranjan Nand Saraswati found the Bihar Yoga Bharati, which is situated in the Darshan Yogpit campus, Munger, in 1994? What is the hot air that flowed during the summer called in Bihar Lu? Which is the hottest district during the summer in Bihar? Gaya. In which financial year the Bihar government start a sugarcane development program? Year 2012 से लेकर 13 तक. In which district is the Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary located? Bhagalpur. Who was the first ruler of slave density? Kutubuddin Aibak. In which of his composition of 11th century has the poet from Gujarat Subhdas called a Dharmpal the owner of North? Uday Sundari. Where was Govind Singh born? Takht Sri Harminder Sahib, Patna. Where is the Gurudwara Hind Sahib located? Danapur. What is the birthplace of Gautam Buddha marked with lotus flower? Gautam Buddha had a son at the age of 29 years. What is the name of Rahul? What is the language and script record Gupta year? Sanskrit language and Brahmi script. In which of the composition of 12th, 11th century has the poet Gujarat Subhdas called Dharm Palava, honor of North? Uday Sundari. Set number 50. Who brought the Gautam Buddha? Aunt and stepmother Gautami. Which clan was Gautam Buddha born to? Sakya clan, Kapil Vastu. Which Gupta ruler defeated our Hunas? Skand Gupta. Where is a Guptam situated? Rohtas. Which district has the highest gender ratio of scheduled tribe? Gopalganj 163. Which city has the highest literacy rate for scheduled tribe? Begusarai 78.6%. On the bank of which river did Gautam Buddha attain enlightenment? Niranjana. What was the childhood name of Gautam Buddha? Siddharth. What was the name of Gautam Buddha mother? Princess Mahamaya Devi. From which place river Ganga originated? Gangotri. In which district Ganga entered Bihar from Uttar Pradesh? Buxar. Where is the Bihar did Gandhiji started the first national movement? Champaran. Gautam Buddha left at home at the age of, what is the called? Mahabhinishkraman. Where was the Munger-based Bihar School of Yoga established by Swami Satyanand Saraswati in 1963? Where is the Lakshman Kund located? Munger. Which person from Bihar did Dadabhai Naranji appointed a deputy chairman of London Indian Society, which he was chairman? Parmeshwar Lal. In which district the Govagil Sanctuary located? Bhagalpur. Which did a Guru Prasad Sen start his publication of English news shelter? The Bihar Herald. 1875 AD. Where was the Guru Gobind Singh born? 26 December 1966. The animal fodder plant had been installed at the which place in Bihar? Khagadiya. After how many years of leaving his home did Mahavir give his cloth? After 13 months. Gandak is a tributary of which river? Ganga. Which district has the least literacy scheduled tribe in Bihar? Scheduled tribe in Bihar. Lakhisarai 12.9%. What is the literary rate of scheduled tribe? 28.2%. What percentage of Bihar area covered by plain and Ganga? 96.27%. The plain of Ganga are the ruins of which sit Tehsil Sea. Who was the first ruler of Bihar who adopted Buddhism? Bimbisar. Where is the maximum deposit of alluvium soil found in the plain of Ganga? Around Patna. What is the share of government of India has Ganga Dolphin Research Center? 30%. What was the name of Gautam Buddha father, king of Suyodhan? The preaching of Gautam Buddha is compiled which book? Sutta Pitak, which was the ancient place renowned for hot water foundation in Bihar, Rajgir. Which text is mentioned the copper in inscription Maner and the Gaharwal ruler Govind Chandra Turukchakan, in whose court did Jayadeva, the writer of Gita Govind reside? Lakshman Sen. Where is the Gautam Buddha Wildlife Sanctuary located? Gaya. What was the Champaran movement Gandhiji associated with? Tinkatia. Which was the first place in Champaran visited in Gandhiji on 16 April 1917? Jasuli Patti. Who became the ruler of Pal dynasty after Gopal? Dharmpala. 770 से 810 AD. Which which temple had been named the after the wife of Rishi Gautam? Ahilya. Ahurali temple. Which was the Gautam Buddha mother of long to? Kolia clean Koshala. What is the gender of ratio of scheduled tribe in Bihar? 9 to 9. Which district had the list of scheduled tribe gender ratio in Bihar? Patna 7 to 6. What is the other name of river garden Gandak? Sandaria. What is the total area of plain of Ganga? 90 650 square kilometer. Where did the Gautam Buddha meet Kaundalya and five Brahmins? Uruvela, Bodh Gaya. Where did the Gautam Buddha attain enlightenment? Bodh Gaya. Where was the Ayodhya Yojana launched in 2000? When was Annapurna Yojana launched in Bihar? 1st April 2001. Where is the Annapurna temple situated in Bihar? Patna. When was Atal mission of the Rejuvenation Urban Transformation Emirate launched? 29 April 2016. Which city was recognized the 12th Municipal Corporation of August 2016? Chhapra. What was the education of project mainly associated with? Primary and adult education. Alar Kalam was a scholar of which field? Statistics. Which was the ruler of Devgiri during the invention of Alauddin Khilji? Ramchandra Dev. Where is the new branch of Aligarh Muslim University proposed? Kishangarh. Which story image and engraved on the ruin of a temple and found to Apras and Navada? Ramayana. Which was district famous for Langar Mango? Muzaffarpur. Where was the Gaya airport recognized in international airport? In 2002. Who who chaired the Gaya Conversation Congress? Deshbandhu Chitranjan Das. Who was the ruler of Tirhut during the Bengal event of Gayasuddin Tughlaq? Harai Singh Dev. Thank you.